how to connect your FundingPips account to MetaTrader 5. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can link your FundingPips account with MetaTrader 5 on both mobile and desktop. Learn how to access your login credentials, find the correct FTPS server, and sign into MT5 to begin trading. Simply open MetaTrader 5 account and then you gotta navigate to settings. Once you do so, you gotta simply click on new account, go to the search bar and type in FundingPips. Simply type in, press search, and over here is FundingPips. There are two, one is FundingPips and the other is FundingPips 2. So in whichever platform you have your account, simply click on that. And then first of all, you gotta select your server. After that, you gotta type in your login and then password. Make sure that your credentials are correct and then simply head over, click on sign in. If they verify your credentials and they are correct, then you would have successfully connected your FundingPips to MetaTrader 5. So that's how you can connect your FundingPips account to MetaTrader 5 to do trading. So if you found this quite helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.